Today I'm opening the Pokemon trading card game Elite Trainer Box Mega Evolution. This is something that I got as a gift a couple days ago from my brother. I gotta say I don't really collect Pokemon cards. That's something I used to do as a kid. But I thought we'll record it just for the fun. I'm actually excited and looking forward to see what's in it. So let's just get to it. Okay. Okay, here we go. Alright, we have the player's guide. I'll go quick through some of the items that's in it. We got the box itself. Alright. We got the sleeves. And this is full R4 promo card. Token or coin. I think it's plastic. And these are the energy cards. 40 of them in total, it says. The dice. 6 damage counter dice, it says on the box. The pack's right here. One or two specific cards that he's looking for, so we'll see if we can find Dan or what else it's in. This one here. Let's do it. First one. On it. I don't know this one. I got stuck back in generation 4 or 5, I think. Man, look at this one. Woo. I like this one here. Bulbasaur! Woo! Look at that. I like this one here for sure. And the energy card, of course. That's the first one, that's pretty good. To the second one. Okay. Let's see. Snowbird. Looks like a character from Mario. Okay. Switch. Wow, look at that one. Just for your info, I don't really know how much you're worth or they're worth anything, but just doing this for the fun. I really like this one here too. And the energy, of course. Third one. Classic. It's so much fun. There we go. Okay. I mean, no. Magma course, I remember this one. Ooh, Bullpix! Oh, brings back memories. Bulbasaur, got it. Trumpy, Latios. Remember him from the movie. Next. Shedinja. Shoes. Raikou. That's cool. Look at those colors. Makes me want to play the games again. And basic energy. Maybe I should do this more often. I guess if I have the money, because I know these go for a lot. Okay, next. Let's see what's in here. Alright. Second one. Oh, Delibird. I remember this guy from Pokemon Stadium. That was a cool minigame. Spoink. Magnezone. Okay. Let's see. Snowbird. Pyroar. Looking good. And dun, 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 dun. Yep. Looking good. Alright, and then the basic energy. Okay, next one. I like the sound of this too. So satisfying for some reason. Okay. Pokemon Center Lady. Next one. Nick. Oh, I like this one. Snow. Ninjask. Marshadow. Cute. Mega Signal. Now. What? That looks so much. Man. Won't you look at that? Sandshrew. Okay. Let's see now. And then the energy, of course. Let's just look at it one more time. Ooh. Long time no see. Next one. 4 more to go. Okay. Toxicroak. Subble. All new to me. Stuff. Look at that one. Tangrowth. Okay, we pull another Tangrowth. Da, da, da. It's getting more and more exciting. Mystery Garden. And Mega Kangaskhan EX. Ooh. A good batch. Then the energy. I think my favorite so far has been Sandshrew. 3 more to go. Okay. Scorbunny. Tinkatuff. Nestleaf. I remember him. Okay, second time we pulled this one. Both sorters. Frostmoth. Kadabra! Ooh! Man. Let's see. Houndstone. Okay, second time we pulled that one. And Spearow! Woo! Let's go with this name. Spiro, that's a cool one. One more to go, one more to go. Cool. And then the energy. I like the Spiro one here. You can tell I'm very old school because I get excited over these ones. That's a good one. Okay, 2 more to go. I haven't seen any of the ones he told me to look for, but I'm just having fun with it, so I don't really mind it. Alright, let's see. First one. Okay. Let's get going. Sand Slash, good, good. Grumpy. Oh, Executor. Woo. Oh. Yes, sir. Mecha Tanoshi. Okay, okay. Back to back. Alright. Second time I see this one, I think. Look at that. Very fitting for the upcoming World Cup, don't you think? Right. And energy. Yeah. And one more to go. Will we have luck this time? Okay. Here we go. 2. Right. Okay, see you again. Fighting Gong. Fighting Gong again. Sabo. Ooh. Hariyama. Alright. And that's the last one. Basic energy. And there you go. That's all of them. I think my favorite from the set, I would say this one here. I just like it so much. The Pokemon itself, the character, the colors, the background, and it's so simple. It doesn't have even a lot of letters on it. That's my favorite from this unboxing, I would say. Sandshrew. Man, this was so much fun. Maybe I should buy some more and make some more of these. What do you think? There you go. Alright. We're good here.